Hello students. Today in Scratch, we'll be learning to create a game called Dress Me Up Game. So at the top where Untitled is written, you will write Dress Me Up Game and press Enter key. Now for this game, I don't need the cat sprite, so I'll delete it and I'll go in the stage and I will paint the stage. So I choose paint the backdrop for the stage and here's a blank backdrop too. I will be filling a color to this backdrop. So I choose this fill tool and when I click on the canvas area here, you can see the color is not filling. So you can click on convert to bitmap. So make sure it is in the bitmap mode. Now when I fill this canvas, you can see it is filled with the solid purple color which is in the fill here. When I click on this arrow for the fill color, there are four options of filling. First is the solid fill color, and the second here is the gradient color fill, vertically to fill color of two shades. So here there is a shade of purple and a cyan blue. If I click on undo here, so now my stage is again set to blank, but I have chosen a double shade of gradient of two colors. Now when I click on the stage, you can see a double shade has come over here. Again, I'll do back undo and you can choose a different color here. You can choose the color, click on color 1 and you can click on another color, and same way you can click on color 2 and click on a different shade, whatever you want. So this becomes a combination of two colors, and now when I click on the stage, this is the gradient that is filled in the stage. Same way, if I again undo and in the fill options, the third one here is the horizontal gradient fill. So for this, if I show this to you, it will show the horizontal gradient. First one color and below that the other color. In vertical, they were on the left and right hand side of the screen. Then I'll do undo one more time. And the last fill option here is radial fill. When I click on the radial fill and I click here on the stage, you will see color 1 has come as a radius or a circle in the center and the color 2 is surrounding it. So whichever gradient style you want, you can apply to the backdrop. I like this vertical gradient and I'll apply that. So this is my background that is ready. Now I will take a sprite from the library. I will choose a sprite and I will take a ballerina character. I'll place her a little in the center, but she looks very tiny. So what should I be doing? I'll increase the size to 200 instead of 100, and this is a good size I want. Okay. Now we'll be taking some more sprites from the fashion category. So I'll choose a sprite again, and from the library I will choose the fashion category, and from here I will choose supposingly hat one. Now we have the hat one over here. This is the hat one. I place it here. Then if I see in the costumes here, you can see this hat has different costumes, right? So if you want another costume for the hat, what you can do is you can keep this one here. You can just duplicate this costume, duplicate this sprite, and in the second sprite now I choose the second costume. So this is my other costume for the hat. And if I want the third type of hat, I can right click again on the sprite and duplicate and then choose the third type of hat, right? So I have three types of hat here. Then I want to add another fashion element for ballerina. So in the fashion, I will choose now, I will choose glasses. So in the center, one glass has come here. Actually, it has gone here. Okay, you have to click on the border and then drag it out. So this is my first glass, and if I don't like it, I can go into costumes. I have to click on the glasses, and if I like this glass, I can click on that and then right click and duplicate to get the other glasses. This is my other glasses here. Likewise, I can add more fashion items. For example, shoes, dresses, hats, bow tie, etc. Shorts. So I click on shoes, and in the costumes, I will choose these shoes for her and place them here. Okay, likewise, you can add more items. Now we'll start with the coding. So I go into the code and I click on the first one, first sprite, that is hat 1, and we start the coding. We start the coding with events when green flag is clicked. I zoom in. So when I start the game, I want the hat to be placed over here. For that, I go into motion blocks and bring the go to XY command. So this is the X position of the hat right now, 153, and the Y position is 133. The coordinates of the X and Y axis on the stage for the hat are these. So I want that as soon as the green flag is clicked, the hat should be positioned here. Now we'll be doing the coding that when I click on this hat, what should happen. So I go again in events, and now I choose the command call when this sprite is clicked. So when I click on the hat, then it should slowly move to the head of this girl. So I go to motion, and here you will see there are two glide commands. You'll use the second glide command with the X and Y coordinates. It is saying that glide in 1 second to a new position. But this position is the same as the old position. So now when I press the green flag, the hat is here, and when I click on it again, the hat is not moving at all because it is supposed to glide to the same position. This is not what I want. So I remove this command. So before using the command, first I place the hat on this girl. This is the way I want it to be placed. So I place it properly, and then I go into the glide command, and here I can see now these are the new X and Y coordinates for the hat. So I want the hat to go to these new command, these X and Y position. Let's run this now. When I press the green flag, the hat is positioned here, and when I click on the sprite, you can see it is slowly gliding to the new position, right? Let us do this now for the another sprite. Supposingly I do this now for the glasses. Here are the glasses, these glasses with the stars. So now what I will be doing is, from the events, which command do I start with? When the green flag is clicked. When green flag is clicked, what should happen to the glasses? They should be standing at this position. Go to command, right? This is the X and Y position. After that, again from events, when this sprite is clicked, when I click on the glasses, then first move the glasses and bring it on the girl's eyes. If you feel it is not showing properly, you can remove the hat and place the glasses on ballerina. And now we continue with the coding for the glasses. From motion, we bring glide 1x 1 second. In 1 second, it should glide to this new position. Let us run this again. When the green flag is clicked, both the glasses and the hat went at their original place. When I click on the glasses glided towards the eyes of the sprite ballerina, and when I click on the hat glided to the eyes of the head of ballerina. Right? Sometimes this sprite, the new sprite might go behind the ballerina character. If that is happening, so what you can do is, after this glide command, from looks, there's a command called go to front layer. So it should be brought to the front layer. So you can bring that if at all a sprite is going behind the ballerina character. So now let us try this one more time. So when I press this, it comes over the eyes of ballerina. I hope you understood this, and it's a very simple coding and very interesting. You can do the same coding for all the other fashion elements for the girl and dress her up. Please create this project and happy coding.